With TradeNetwork UI, it's ever so easy to set up your own simulation. Over here, you can see your own simulation hierarchy, and you can create your home agents using this create utility. Simply select the type of the agent you want to add and fill in the agent descriptors. This includes the name, in this instance, the agent's max negotiation time, and the K and the beta parameters. And also, you can also choose a tactic for this given type of agent. The forms also does validations to make sure that you don't enter invalid values. You can also add multiple appliance agents, and there's a few kinds of appliance agents as well. Each appliance agent calculates their energy usage differently based on the time of the day. For instance, I'm going to create a heat agent which belongs to the EN301, and you can also inspect the values of the descriptors down in the agent inspector. I'm going to quickly fast forward and add additional home agent for the demonstration. For this home agent, I'm going to keep the tactic at a combination which uses a range of different tactics. I'm going to fast forward and add additional appliances to each home agent. Now each home agent has its own kind of an appliance nested under it. Let's create some retail agents for these guys to negotiate with. The retail agents also takes in the similar parameters as the home agent because they both are negotiating agents. And the only difference here is the retail agents have an internal reservoir of energy we need to specify. I'm going to quickly fast forward and add another retail agent just for the demonstration that we can negotiate with multiple retail agents and multiple home agents at the same time. Now that the simulation is set up, you can run the simulation by hitting play. I'm going to give a few seconds for them to finish negotiating. To inspect how the negotiation happened, you can select the agent and say show negotiation. Here you can see how the agents negotiated over time, and you can see how the negotiation curve changes from the retailer to retailer as well. You can switch the retailer on the negotiation thread by selecting the tab. You can go back and forward in the time of the day using the slider down here. These graphs are drawn relatively. However, you can fix it by simply dragging and dropping a region, and which will fix the margins to a specified region. And here you can see the energy usage goes up and down throughout the day based on the appliances. Let's take a look at the other home agent we added. Simply select the home agent and say select show negotiation, and here you can see the negotiation thread for that specific home agent. Notice how the curve is different because here we use a combination of tactics. TradeNetwork UI also allows you to save your simulation to your own computer and load back in anytime you want. And it'll restore the entire simulation back from your drive anytime you wish.